All right, 1970 Ford Torino GT. I have a working speedometer here. Gas gauge on the dash is a little dicey, so I went with the aftermarket gauges. So I've got gas, temperature, battery, as well as oil pressure on here, and no rust on the door jambs, which is a frequent problem, or was a problem on these cars back in the day. The interior is all redone, everything redone in the interior. Put a couple of speakers in the back, give it that 1970s look. Car's been totally repainted, wheels are new, same tires on the car from when I got it about 6-7 years ago, so obviously hardly any miles on the car. Had the engine rebuilt, everything redone, under the hood replaced, chrome, stainless, aluminum, new transmission, new gas tank, which I didn't list in the listing, but a brand new gas tank, aluminum gas tank. And the transmission and this engine, since being rebuilt, probably has about 1,000 miles on it. I typically just will go to a car show once every few months locally, so 1,000 might even be overshooting it, but it is what it is. Great car to look at. I don't drive it every day. I do look at it every day. It's a beautiful car. I have the hidden headlights that I bought, and the headlights have been absolutely restored to new condition. The front end here restored to new condition. The car did not look like this when I got it. It's all been redone. Underneath we have polyurethane bushings, the new leaf springs, new shocks, Dynamax mufflers. The MagnaFlows were too loud in the car. Replaced those with the Dynamax. The insulating material, Dynamat, inside the car. You can see the pictures there. Absolutely overdone with that. It keeps the heat off your feet and also sound deadens. You could have a conversation in the car because the transmission is a automatic overdrive 4-speed, and you get some decent mileage in the car too. Probably, I'm going to guess, anywhere from 16 to 18 depending on how you drive. It was about half that when I had the C6 in here, so that's been replaced. I've replaced a lot of the stainless, you could probably tell on the car. This stainless on the door, not been replaced. I have a hard time finding it, but it's not rusty. You know, it's just a little pitted, but it's fine. Feels smooth to the touch. A lot of the stainless around the windshield has been replaced, and also around all the wheel wells. All the stainless has been replaced there. There's no rust around the wheel wells. Trunk is in decent shape. I'm going to start the car up, and then I'll open the trunk. Car's idling now. Just give you a little taste of the sound. Got a nice rumble. And not sure what you could tell under the hood in this light. It's raining outside, so car runs well.